Hi guys, welcome back to Emerge Kenya TV. Thank you so much for joining us and for your continued support. Today guys, we are going on a house tour of a contemporary beautiful home design. Please join us and watch until the end and we would appreciate it. Please also remember to share this video out, to like, to leave a comment and to subscribe if you're new here. This house tour is at the courtesy of the 47 Investments Company. You are to go to developer and construction company in Kenya. The 47 Investments Company is a real estate company in Kenya that offers solutions to all your real estate projects at an affordable price. These are 3-bedroom duplex units that the 47 Investment Company just handed over to their client. This is the amazing staircase that leads you to the second level and the rooftop of this duplex home. On this house tour, we will start from the rooftop and work our way down. At this rooftop, you get a great view of the neighborhood and also offers a great hangout spot for family and friends. This rooftop also comes with a washroom for use while on the rooftop. Now let's go downstairs and tour the rest of this contemporary beautiful home design. This staircase is spacious and the big windows provides it with natural light. We are now entering the first unit and let's go direct to the balcony that faces the front yard and offers a great view of the neighborhood. In the living room, notice the space and the natural light through the windows. The light fixtures are also modern and amazing. The kitchen comes with a kitchen bar or a breakfast bar and also plenty of storage cabinets. This kitchen also offers spacious countertops. Kindly remember to share, to like, to leave us a comment, and if you're new here, consider subscribing. Thank you and keep watching. Now to the bedrooms. The bedrooms in this house are spacious and are all en suite. The bedrooms comes with the built-in wardrobes offering spacious storage spaces. The washrooms comes with a studded finishing and also an instant shower. On to the second bedroom. It's almost identical to the first one and offers those big windows that allow natural light inside. This second bedroom is also en suite with studded finishing in the bathroom. We are now in the third bedroom, which is also identical to the other bedrooms we have toured, but don't fail to notice the spacious storage in the wardrobes. Back now to the beautiful staircase, which is well designed and spacious. Let's now go to the second unit and tour. And did I tell you that this home is designed and built by the 47 Investments Company? Please check them out and use them for your next construction project. We are now in the second unit of this duplex and we're gonna be touring the bedrooms first. The second unit is almost identical to the first one, but you'll notice some slight differences here and there. The bedrooms in the second unit are also fully en suite and offer standard finishing in all the bathrooms. On to the last bedroom of this unit. Notice the big windows that come with it. This is the living and the dining areas of this apartment, offering beautiful light fixtures and great designs. We are now in the kitchen of the second unit. Notice the tiled backsplash on the kitchen and the spacious storage spaces. Thank you so much for joining us in this house tour and for watching this far. Please remember to share, to like, to leave us a comment and subscribe. Please also check out the 47 Investments Company and let them guide you in your next real estate project. And until next time, as we bring you more content, have a great day, be blessed, be kind, and cheers. Bye-bye.